So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Claudia, and guys, some of you have been requesting the updates of my farm, and guys, I managed to go to the village. Actually, I've been here but I've not been doing any videos. So guys, stay here, don't go anywhere. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so as I take you around, so for you to be able to get updated of what I've been up to. As I said earlier, for those who have been following me, it's a dry season here in Kenya, Africa, like in our land, Cumberland. So I'll be taking you around. This is how everything looks like. Actually, you can see these are mangoes. For those who have been following me, I've been showing you this mango tree like way back when it was young. We have some fruits around. So yes, it's dry. Now we are planning to prepare our farms for the next season, which will be next month, maybe from 20th. That's when the rains will come back. So yes, subscribe. And guys, you can hear my voice from the background. I came for a burial of our neighbor who passed away. So yes, then I got this chance to take you around. Mangoes are flowering, so by maybe December we'll have mangoes. These are our sweet potatoes. You remember our, what do we call it, our pumpkins. Yes, so the reason why this is an avocado tree I've been showing you. So for those who have been requesting for the updates, I don't know what update I'm going to give you, because everything is like, I don't know what to say. This is how the farms looks like. Some weeds over here, not the smoking weed, but the unwanted plants. Some pumpkins already dried up. Our mangoes doing fine. You can see these are small mango. Oh, sorry, I think I'm not supposed to touch. I'll interfere with. These are red pepper. Yeah. Now I'll try to be brief, because I just came today and I'm going back to the city today. So bear with me, guys. I'll take time to come and take you to through the whole farm. Yes, you can see how purple tree looks like, still flowering. What else now? Look how dry it is. So there are some places which it's like totally dry, but at least we thank God we can you can see some progress of our farm and everything. Look at this kolaloo. Actually, here we don't plant those kolaloo. This is what happens. You can see these are kolaloo seeds. We just pick them. This is how they look like. Let me see you. This is how they look like. What we normally do is we pick them like this and we draw like that. This is how we do it. We pick like this, and then we draw them to make them spread at least. Okay, this is a lemon tree. Oh, the sun is too hot. These are what, Congo peas, for those who are watching this from Caribbean. These are Congo peas, and also some are drying up, others are yielding too. I know I'm talking too fast because I'm really tired. I came from Barrio. I'm trying to brief you, actually. I'm trying to brief you. So So my brother and my cousin just came to visit my farm. You can see them over there. These are now I'm in the place whereby Ed prepared the dam to conserve water. This is the dam. For those who have been following me, you know how we did it. Now it's not rainy season actually, but the rainy season is still coming. So it's so deep. Look at how it is. Very deep. That's my elder brother and my cousin. We came from Barrio. So let's keep on walking. This is me, Claudia Walks. And just know that if you are not watching the videos, if you have not subscribed, just know that you are missing a lot. I'm facing like this because of the sun actually. Yes. Look at our bushes. These are bushes. We have some hills over there. Actually, we thank God. It's dry season, but our place is not that dry. We thank God. This is how deep it is. Very deep. It's big and very deep. Very, very deep. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe. Yo guys, you want to say hi to my fans? Wasalimie tu saseni. Waambie hivyo.
Sisi ni wale wase, ndio.
We. Nangisimo. Okay, let's keep on walking as I update you on what has been happening while we were away. The sun is too hot, man. I have to leave them, guys. Whew. So guys, I'm tired. I won't take you to that farm around there, so we'll just go up. You can see last time when I was showing you about this farm, it was green. Like right now it's not that green. No oranges, no lemons, no, we call it sandras, no sandra. Yeah, but come next month, once the rains are back, everything will be okay. Whew. Sun is too hot, feeling tired at the same time. Look at the Nephia grass. It's not Nephia grass. Look at this Nephia grass. Whew. Even the pawpaw tree, they are not doing well because of the sun. Guess what? I have to climb here. Thought there is a hakaway there. Guys, I'm falling down. Yeah, this is how everything looks like. Up to there, you can see. And I know this video might be short because there is no much to show you guys. I've been telling you it's a dry season, so but because you requested the video, I hate to do this because of you guys. Yes, look at this peas. Is it pigeon peas? The Congo peas. I think I should go ahead and get some pawpaw there. I can see we have some pawpaw, but I'll come for them later. So the sun is too hot, guys. Well, we'll continue from there. So thank you so much for those who have been following me, for those who have been requesting for the updates. You guys, you care, and thank you so much for being loving, for being supportive to this YouTube channel. Remember, it's our YouTube channel. This is not my YouTube channel, it's ours. This is our YouTube channel. This is not our YouTube channel actually, because of course copyright and a lot of stuff, I have to edit this video at this moment because of that noise coming from our neighbor. Still the barrier is not over, but I'll keep on updating you guys. Make sure you subscribed. I'll keep updating you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and also put that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be among the first people to get notified. Don't miss any video with Claudia Walks. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.